Alright, that's it for today's video. As usual, we'll put the link and the expiration date up here, and then you should see a link down here as well as in the description for the product. These are modern advertising hoardings or billboards. They're just the small ones that you might see in little groups along the side of a platform or inside the railway station. So they're beveled, so you can basically print out your poster. I think they're 6 sheet, I think is the term that they use. So you can print it out and put in whatever poster you want. There's lots of places you can get posters. You can download them off the internet. You can buy them. I think Hatton's have a Gauge Master one, so they sell and stuff like that. So there's various different sources for them. I will put together a PDF and make that available to folks as well. So I'll watch out for a video on the channel over the holidays while I'm messing around with that. But it turned out really well, and they were pretty easy to put together. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. And like I said, I'll put the code up there along with the expiration date, and hopefully you guys will enjoy printing these out. I printed them out upside down, and it goes up like this, and it works pretty well. You may want to use tree supports depending on how well your printer does overhangs. Mine did it without supports and also did it with supports, so it works either way. And then you basically just glue it. So you can see there's a kind of base that you just glue like that into your station once you've got it all ready to go. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time.